Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Do you struggle to maintain a healthy diet due to your busy schedule? You're not alone. Today, we're sharing 11 tips to help you eat healthy and stay on track, even when you're short on time. Tip number 1, plan ahead. Take some time each week to plan your meals and snacks. This ensures that you have healthy options on hand and prevents you from reaching for unhealthy options when you're in a rush. Tip number 2, batch cook. Cook large batches of meals and freeze them for later. This saves time and ensures that you always have healthy meals on hand. Tip number 3, pack your own meals. Pack your own meals for work or on the go. This way, you have control over what you're eating and can ensure that you're making healthy choices. Tip number 4, choose nutrient-dense foods. Choose foods that are high in nutrients such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function properly. Tip number 5, snack smart. Choose healthy snacks such as nuts, seeds, fruits, and veggies. These snacks provide energy and nutrients to keep you fueled throughout the day. Tip number 6, don't skip meals. Skipping meals can lead to overeating later on and can disrupt your metabolism. Make sure to eat regular meals to keep your energy levels stable and your metabolism functioning properly. Tip number 7, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and keep your body functioning properly. You can also drink herbal tea or flavored water for a change of pace. Tip number 8, avoid processed foods. Processed foods are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Try to limit your intake of processed foods and choose whole foods instead. Tip number 9, eat mindfully. Take the time to savor and enjoy your meals. Eating mindfully can help you tune into your body's hunger and fullness cues and prevent overeating. Tip number 10, choose healthy fats. Healthy fats such as avocado, nuts, and olive oil are essential for optimal health. Choose these healthy fats over unhealthy fats such as butter or processed oils. Tip number 11, indulge in moderation. It's okay to indulge in your favorite treats occasionally. Just make sure to enjoy them in moderation and balance them out with healthy choices. And that's it. These 11 tips can help you maintain a healthy diet even when you're short on time. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.